Hello! In this video, we will learn how to divide decimals using models. To divide the decimal 2 8/10 by the decimal 4/10, we will draw a model. This square represents a whole unit, or 1. We need 2 of them to represent the value 2 in the number 2 8/10. To show the value 8/10, we can divide one whole unit into tenths and shade in 8 of them. This square shows 8/10. Now that we have a visual of 2 8/10, we need to divide it by 4/10. This means we want to know how many groups of 4/10 there are in 2 8/10. To model this, we are going to divide both of our whole units into tenths too, so all of our pieces are the same size. We are dividing by 4/10, so we will shade in groups of 4/10 with alternating colors. When we count the groups, we see there are 7 groups of 4/10. So 2 8/10 divided by 4/10 is equal to 7. And that's how you use a model to divide decimals. See you next time!